It's really cold in here. You want to make a fire? Alright. And then, let me see here. Ah. There, that's a little better, eh? Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO on a BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and over here is Natasha. Good doing, BOOZHOO, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing? And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Name bine GIIZIS, suckerfish moon. That is our word for February. And so for today, I thought I would tell the story of the suckerfish and why we honor them this time of year. So back in the days of the grandfathers, you know, the Anishinaabe, they were really great hunters and trappers. And so in the beginning of the winters, the people, they ate very well. But then you know, the woodland animals, they're smart. And so after a while, the deer and the rabbits and that would all escape back into the deep parts of the woods, and the Anishinaabe couldn't find them. Oh, the winters, they get really cold in northern Minnesota, and the Anishinaabe, you know, they started to starve. They were starving to death. And oh, what a suckerfish! They heard about this, and so they called out to Gitchi Manadu. They were like, hey, great spirit. And Gitchi Manadu looked down on a suckerfish and he was like, yeah, what's up? And the suckerfish said, Anishinaabe, the people, they are starving. Yeah, I know. What do you want me to do about it? And the suckerfish were like, well, hey, we have an idea. How about you tell the Anishinaabe to go to the lake, dig a hole in the ice, and we, the noble suckerfish, we will sacrifice our lives for the people. Tell them they can come to the lake, and we will feed them. Oh, Gitchi Manadu looked down, and he was just impressed at Name Bine's, you know, selfless act. So he said, I'll tell you what. I will tell the Anishinaabe what you have said. But in return, I'm going to give you a gift. I will give you the power to reproduce yourself 100 times over. So yes, you may sacrifice yourself for the people, but you will reproduce yourself over and over again. So there will be plenty of you to go around. Hey. So that is why we honor the suckerfish this time of year, and we call February Name bine GIIZIS, the suckerfish moon. Yeah. So this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. And yeah, you think that's good enough? Yeah, that's pretty good. Well, okay then. My name is Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha. And I want to say miigwech for watching. BOOZHOO! Nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Gigawa bamin. Enawa. Oh. Oh, that's really good tea. That's really good. Neebish tea.